So this second tutorial video will go through the mobile version of the site. And as I mentioned before, there's a full version in my previous tutorial. In this version, or this tutorial, we'll go through the mobile version. So just click on the mobile version. Now, as you see, as it comes up, it's a very simple, straightforward site. And you can go home here. There's a site map, information about our team, outreach, and some very basic information about the whole overall program, how-to information, fact information. Now we move down to the projects because this page is really set up to make it very easy for people to download given particular videos in a language they're interested in. So let's go through first the different projects. We have a series of projects and each title is given and its category: public disclosure, agricultural and life sciences, health. A variety of different videos are available. They are the same videos that are available on our main website, but again, this doesn't take as much essentially bandwidth to maneuver through this site. Each of the videos is labeled by a language code, and it's a standard language code that is used, and these are assigned to each of the videos. So let's go to, for example, I would like to download something on natural insecticides from NEEM. The first one is Amharic, which is a language from Ethiopia. And for example, if I would like to download a video on natural insecticide from neem seed, I just essentially go to this site, and up here in the right-hand corner, you see the language code, the language name, and which country it's from. And I simply push the MP4 button here, and it begins to download the MP4 version of the video. Now, let's say I want also a 3GP version, because I'm interested in that as well, and it now can begin to download that. So I want the second one, which is a much larger 3GP version, which is essentially a higher quality or higher resolution video. My MP4 one has already downloaded here, and my computer has it popping up, and I'm actually beginning to play it right now. So I'm just skipping through different scenes.
ፍሬዎቹ እንዲደርቁ ለ3 ወይም ለ4 ቀናት ወደ ቡናማ ቀለም እስኪቀየሩ ድረስ በፀሐይ
Now this particular video is a higher resolution one because it's MP4 and can be played on computers, big screen TV sets, etc., or other devices, and again has a higher resolution, but it is also a higher it has a much larger size in terms of its file size than the other two. The other two videos are a 3GP version, and they're appropriate for cell phones, and they can be brought onto the computer and then transferred over to cell phones and transferred between cell phones using Bluetooth technology. So now I have these three available. So I can go down to the bottom site here and say, well, okay, I would like a different language, and I can go through and look for another language I'd be interested in. So let's say, example, I want English. We actually have a variety of different English accents, as well as many other languages. We have multiple accents. So when you see different numbers aside, EN1, EN2, this just represents different variants of accents. So for this particular video, we have an AVI version, and if I were to click on this, the AVI version would begin to download. And if I wanted a movie version, I could click on that and download it, or a 3GP version as well. So I can download very rapidly just by simply clicking any one of these buttons one of the videos that I'm interested in using. So this essentially allows one to in turn download and use materials very rapidly from the website. Now if we go to the bottom here, it'll jump through to the next particular video I'm interested in looking at, and or going to another list of them, and whichever videos have given languages I'm interested in, I can just click on that, and then again the language and the country it's from will come up in the right hand corner, and I can just in turn download that and take it out and use it how I see fit. So with this light version or smaller system for a mobile version that we have for this system, one can easily download any of these materials and then just take them out and use them in your educational program as you see fit.